You get to see how far you've come. Like looking back 3 years ago, for example, I was so shaken and I was so scared doing account reviews. But now it's so easy to understand whatever is happening in a listing or in a user's portfolio. With this role, I am able to dabble into not just analytics, but even to AI and automation. You're not getting caged in a specific role and then later on it will become a tenant. It's not like that. Since this is a remote role, right? It is up to you to see how far you can go when it comes to growing, not just with the product specialist team, with the whole PriceLabs team. We are very open to whenever someone wants to explore something.